Hello everyone, and now it's time for morning meeting with Miss Kara. Alright, let's go ahead and do our weather song. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Tell us, Miss Kara, what's the weather? What's the weather like today? Alright, so if we go to our weather.com website and we search Roanoke, Virginia, Roanoke being our city, Virginia our state, Roanoke, Virginia. It says it is 79 degrees outside and mostly cloudy. So if we go to our weather, we're going to put this on the partly cloudy, mostly cloudy area. And then we're going to move partly cloudy into the blank. So today's weather is partly cloudy. Alright, so now we need to graph our weather. So the title of our graph is Weather Graph. On this axis we have the number of days, and on this axis we have the type of weather. So we're going to put partly cloudy in our weather graph. So if we look at our weather graph, let's count how many cloudy days we've had so far. 1, 2, 3. 3 cloudy days. Now let's count how many rainy days we've had so far. 1 rainy day. And now let's count how many partly cloudy days we've had. 1, 2. 2 partly cloudy days. So which type of weather have we had the most of so far? Which one has the most? Cloudy has the most. But we'll see how our weather changes over the next few weeks. Alright, so let's go ahead and do our months of the year song. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. First month of the year is January. We start the year in January. The last month of the year is December. We end the year in December. There are 12 months in a year, and we are in the 6th month. So let's start at January and count to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. June. We're in the month of June. And today is June 23rd. We write the 23rd as a 2 and then a 3. 23rd, 2 and then a 3. So let's count the number of days we've had so far in June. We're going to start right here at 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 days in June so far. Today is June 23rd, 2020. Alright, let's go ahead and find our clapping hands for our Days of the Week song. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. So yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. And tomorrow will be Wednesday. So yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. And tomorrow will be Wednesday. And today is June 23rd. We write the 23rd as a 2 and then a 3. 23rd. So today is Tuesday, June 23rd, 2020. All right, let's go ahead and do our news to you, weather, and calendar. We said today is Tuesday.
Tuesday.
The month is, we said we were in the month of June.
June.
The date is, we said today was the 23rd.
23rd.
The weather is.
More options. Partly sunny.
Said it was partly sunny, partly cloudy. The temperature is, we are in the upper 70s, so I would say it is warm outside.
Warm.
All right, let's dress this person today.
Bottoms.
All right, so since it is warm outside, we probably want to wear shorts. So I'm going to put on these shorts for today.
Shorts. Tops.
We don't need a long sleeve shirt, a sweater, or a flannel shirt. It's too hot for any of those. We could wear a collared shirt, a t-shirt, or a tank top. I think I'm going to wear a t-shirt for today.
T-shirt. Shoes.
We don't need rain boots. It's not raining. We don't need snow boots. It's not snowing. We could wear sandals or tennis shoes, depending on whatever you prefer. I think I'm going to put on some tennis shoes for today.
Tennis shoes. Hats.
We don't need a winter hat. It's not cold outside. We don't need a rain hat. It's not raining. We could wear any of these other hats if we wanted to. They're good on days that it is sunny outside to protect our face from the sun. So I think I'm going to put on a baseball hat for today.
Baseball hat. Accessories.
We don't need gloves, mittens, or a scarf. It's not cold outside. And we could wear sunglasses if we wanted to. They're good on sunny days to protect our eyes from the sun. But I think today I'm going to say no accessory.
No accessory. Outerwear.
We don't need a raincoat. It's not raining. And we don't need any of these other types of outerwear because it is not cold outside. It is warm. So we're going to say no outerwear for today.
No outerwear.
All right, so let's review.
Today's weather. Tuesday, June 23rd, 2020. Partly sunny and warm.
And we have dressed our person for the weather.